Hello there, and welcome to this mini maths test for year 6. Here you've just got 6 mixed different types of questions to do. This first particular questions has fill in the blanks. So you've got a four double digit additional question there, which you've got to find out which one is the correct option. Best way to do this actually is to just work out each one of them and see which one can actually help you. Does it actually make sense? So 7 had 4. 7 had 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. So one goes here, one goes at the bottom. So we know that's not right. There shouldn't be 3. So let's cross it out. Let's do the next one. So 7 had 2 is 9. So we should have 9 there. Instead, we've got 3. So that's not right. Let's go on to the next one. 7 had 6 is 13. So 3 goes here. 1 is carried forward there. That's fine. 2 add 1 is 3. Add 1 is 4. So that's right as well. 5 add 5 is 10, so 0 goes here, 1 is added there, and if you were to put 1 there, so it would be 3 add 2 is 5, and add the 1 that's moving on is going to be 6. So in this case, this is the correct answer. So have a look through each one of them, do plenty of working out, and good luck with these. Thank you.